Hello again. So I've been riding through some puddles. The mud flap here seems to do its work. I may adjust or bend the stainless steel bracket a bit so that there is not so much of a curve in the mud flap to make it a little bit wider. But then it also gets a bit farther from the tire, so it may not actually work. I will show you, so I may need to adjust something in the mounting to get the mud flap to get closer to the tire when it's near the ground for optimum results. But I will ride through some puddles and we will see what happens. I will show them. I will try to show what happens with this pocket lamp aimed at the fender and then recording it, so we'll see how well it works. Here comes a good puddle. I think here comes a good puddle again. Let's see. Yeah, it seems to work pretty well. There is something going along just at the edges, but almost nothing. My shoes don't get soaked. They're only showing that they're wet, which is already the case from the rain itself. So that's this. Wet train, but not soaked. I will try again and see if this gets confirmed. That's it for now. Bye.